a sudden you're sick to your stomach. Is that?
They're not skyscrapers, but they're pretty big buildings. As you can tell, we are downtown and there is a little ledge that's off over there in the distance. And I want to skate that. Last time I did a little board slide in the ditch. And today, I want to play with a couple of grinds instead of board slides. Do a little 50-50, maybe 5-0, maybe a pop shove it into one, pop shove it out to one. I don't exactly know how it's gonna go because I suck at grinds and I wanna get better at them, which is exactly why I'm downtown and going to be practicing on that ledge over there. It is already pretty waxed up, which is good. We have a lot of local skaters that skate down here, so maybe we'll run into one. I doubt it. Most people don't really come out about this time. But without any further ado, let me grab all my stuff and then jump over there and start filming. Well, this ground sucks to skate on, but over there is where it gets smoother, so. Well, here's the ledge. Some of you might recognize this in one of my old videos. Hello, car. They're over there, but can't see you. I'm sad. Yeah, some of you may recognize this ledge in a video I did a while back. I can't remember when it was or what the video was about. I think I had my GoPro on, was just skating with it. But we're just gonna focus on just the spot today because I do wanna get better at grinding. And I think this is a perfect spot. We could get kicked out of here because this is downtown and there's a courthouse down that direction. So I don't know if cops will come. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. If we do, it'll make for great content. I do have a new tripod right here. It's pretty much the same as the last one, just slightly different. Got my board, got a new GoPro, so we're gonna play with that as well. I'm just gonna try to get as many angles as possible. And this isn't gonna be pretty at first, or maybe not even at all. Like I said, I just want to practice and get better. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. I have a little bit of privacy out here. Not many people are going to be here. So yeah, let's just jump into it. Well, we've got you set up on the GoPro right now. It's actually kind of cool. I like this point of view. Hopefully it looks cool when we're skating. Hopefully I don't look too fat. Just had food, so it's a possibility. Now I gotta turn on the other cameras though. One thing that sucks is there a wall right there. So I tend to destroy my hands on this. That was terrible. I landed on that all wrong. Alright, so you can consistently land a 50-50, I would say. I mean, not really consistently, but close. Alright, we'll do one more for consistency purposes. That was all my fault. I messed that one up. Alright, I say it's good on consistency. Now let's try to pop shove it in. See how that goes. I'm a little scared to do that one. Alright, I might not pop shove it in, and I might only pop shove it out. Let's try that again. Alright, we're getting better. That was kind of cool. I keep rushing it now. I really should just focus on getting on it. That hurt. Tried to see how long I could go on that one. Didn't work that well. Not what I wanted, but I got it. Alright, I'll go back to the 50-50 shove out. I wonder if I could 5-0 and then off. I don't know if I could do that. I'll try it. I would like to do that. I don't know if I can get that either, but I'd like to try it. 5-0 scary. I thought I was gonna fall backwards. That was ghetto. Yep, that happened. Oh. I don't know what's so scary about doing the 5-0, because it's really not. But I just keep messing it up. That was in my face on the wall. I don't even know how to do this. How do you... I guess we'll just send it. I mean, that was it. I just didn't get any slide. So maybe it is a good idea to learn 5-0s first. Just because I still think I have to keep the board up. Not like up in 5-0, but up enough to keep it from catching right here or falling down. So, I don't know. I don't really know how to practice this trick, but I'll just keep doing it. That was better. It slid a little bit. That's what I'm worried about is as soon as the deck catches, I just stop. So, I don't know. That almost popped into my balls. That was weird. Alright, now what should we do? 50-50 shove out again? We'll try it. I get close to that wall, and it's like, nah, not today. I landed that. Why'd I give up? I got stuck. Didn't pop shove that one enough. I'm gonna do a few more. I'm gonna take the GoPro off my chest because it's starting to keep me from breathing. Alright, I'm gonna call it on the GoPro and just switch to the other cameras real quick. I think I'm done trying to shove out. I've landed one before. I don't know why it's taking so long, but I'm worn out, I'm exhausted, out of breath. My foot hurts. I keep landing in the same spot whenever I pop off. And I think it's just because I'm not getting the right foot placement. I'm just not setting up correctly, basically, which is just throwing off the whole trick. A few of them have gotten really close to landing, and I was really excited, and that's what kept me going, but now I'm really worn out, and I just need a break. So we'll probably come back to this in another video. I don't know if I'm gonna include any more clips yet, just because I am so tired. But overall, it's been really fun. I think I've got 50/50s down for sure. Those I think I can do 100% now, but everything else still have a long ways to go. So that's just the progression of skating. That's my progression anyway. I know there's a lot of people out there that are far better than I am, but I'm just getting back into it, and hopefully with the more practice that we do, the better we'll get. I think I might do one finale trick, probably just another 50/50, I'll be honest. Maybe something else, I don't know. I'll do one more trick before I leave this area altogether and go back home. But that's gonna be it for today's video for the most part. Sorry I'm so worn out. That's all I have to apologize for. I know I'm rusty and can't skate that well, but it's okay. At least somebody is gonna be learning from this, so I appreciate it.